To Troubleshoot Monday.com tasks. Start by identifying the issue you are experiencing. Is a task not updating? Or are you having trouble assigning a task to a team member? Once you have identified the problem, check the task settings to ensure that all necessary fields are filled out, such as the task name, description, and deadline. Next, verify that the task is assigned to the correct person and that they have the necessary permissions. To complete the task, you can do this by checking the task's assignee field in the team member's permission settings. If the task is not updating, check the workflow and automation settings to ensure that the task is properly connected to other tasks and workflows. Make sure that any dependencies or triggers are set up correctly and that the task is not stuck in a loop or waiting for input from another task. Another common issue is that a task may be stuck in a pending or draft state. To resolve this, check the task's status and update it manually if necessary. You can also try reassigning the task to a different team member or changing the task's deadline to see if that resolves the issue. To prevent future issues, it is essential to establish clear workflows and communication channels with your team. Make sure that all team members understand their roles and responsibilities and that tasks are properly documented and tracked. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Monday.com tasks and ensure that your workflows run smoothly and efficiently. Regularly reviewing and updating your workflows and task settings can also help prevent issues from arising in the first place, allowing you to focus on completing tasks and achieving your goals.